Logistics runs on status files. Here is everyone that matters. The 2XX and 9XX transaction sets are the two main status families in EDI logistics. The 2XX group covers shipment and transportation events. The 9XX group covers financial and administrative acknowledgements. Status transportation carrier shipment status message. A carrier sends a 214 after every leg of a move. One example, segment B10 carries the shipment identification number and loop arrow 200 holds the status code like A for shipment picked up. Notice how we read the delimiters directly from the ISA header. Character position 3 is the element delimiter. Position 105 is the segment terminator. From there, we walk every segment. B10 gives us the shipment ID, MS1 gives us the city and state, and each AT7 hands us the raw status code plus date and time. That raw code X3, AF, OFD, DLV gets looked up in the status map and comes out as a clean, normalized string your database can store and your workflow engine can act on. The 210 is the motor carrier freight invoice. The 211 is the motor carrier bill of lading. The 212 is the transportation appointment schedule. The 204 is the motor carrier load tender. Each file triggers a business action, payment, booking, or dispatch. On the 9XX side, the 997 is the functional acknowledgement. Every EDI transaction you send should get a 997 back within 24 hours. The 9999 replaced the 997 in X12 version 5210, same purpose, stricter validation loops. The 824 is the application advice. It tells you a transaction failed business rules, not just syntax. A carrier sends an 824 when your 204 load tender has a pickup date that conflicts with a committed appointment. Syntax was fine, business logic was not. The 856 is the advance ship notice. The 850 is the purchase order. The 855 is the purchase order acknowledgement. These three form the order to ship loop that feeds every warehouse management system. Here is the gotcha. Most shippers monitor 997 and 214 and ignore the 824. That means a rejected load tender sits silent for hours. You never see a failure flag, you just see no carrier response. Always build an 824 listener before you go live. Subscribe. Next up, decoding 214 status codes live.